side quest to 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
What are we getting?
Egg something.
The egg something. Right, what is it doing?
Are you buying an 80 theory?
Hey, should show you just get both.
Hey, you may as well.
Want one of these or what? Man, let's go.
What do we have here?
A lot of diabetes. You filming?
Yes.
Oh, a lot of diabetes in a bag. Diabetes? Nah, we got this new. What is it? New 7-Eleven. Japanese style egg salad roll, baby. Yum or yuck?
Contemplating. Tasting.
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 Computing. Not mediocre, bro. I say soft 5. Maybe.
Soft 5?
I'll give it in the middle. I'll give it to the middle.
Soft 5. 7-Eleven.
And
No, it's alright.
yeah,
It's just like egg and bread.
there's a lot of bread. I feel like there's a lot of bread, but that's me.
Soft 6.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Above average.
Slightly above average. If you like egg and bread, buy this.
Buy as advice. Sponsor us, 7-Eleven. Sponsor. First got the front lip.
Got the booba.
Hey, look at the 8.6.
Lambo coming.
No, I think it's going in.
No!
Just follow the top.
Come back!
Cross the mountain. More black that is, the more better.
Wait, say that again?
Carbon fiber.
Vlog.
Guys, I want to let you know, our events are all about
Mustang City, bro. Hey, we're about to enter Audi, man.
That one, dude. Look at this engine, bro.
Oof. God dang. A drone?
Ooh, look at the M, bro.
Ooh. Carbon hood, bro. Yeah.
What Asian are you, man?
We're speaking all Got the deagle, bro. Look at it.
Like a soft 6? There's not enough meat.
Oh, it's gonna be a lot of rice, isn't it?
No. You gotta do deeper. You didn't even get to the meat.
That's alright. It's
It's
good.
alright.
The seaweed like makes it way better.
Uh-huh.
Like, if it was just rice, it would be a bad.
Are you making
Yeah,
YouTube
probably
out of
soft
this?
6. Soft 6, baby.
The vlog.
Mm-hmm.
The vlog.
The vlog. I can give you my meat mention. It's black, got the milk, even the hairy balls. Oh fuck! Bro, I thought this vlog.
Sylvia, man. first try.